Let me ask you a question. What is the Z problem? Well, the Z problem is a beast. Now, this guy here is a beast, and I love animals, the gorillas, but the beast I'm talking about scares entrepreneurs, scares you from doing what you really want to do. So today, you're going to learn the 3 biggest reasons entrepreneurs don't succeed, and actually anyone doesn't succeed for that matter. You're going to learn how you can combat these and stack yourself for success. And we're going to talk about the Z problem. What is the Z problem? Now, if you have any questions, hit me in the comments, and I promise that I will get back to each and every comment. Okay, let's go. My name is Nasser. I've been an online entrepreneur since 2008. I've been investing in property and real estate back since 1997. I want to help you earn online so that you can eventually invest in property, which is the best way to go. It doesn't matter whether you're male, female, professional, non-professional, you can do this. But first, let's take a look at this. You know, before the recent times, we used to travel a lot, and one of the biggest reasons for me was traveling. I used to love to travel, see different places. And those days aren't so easy now, but we want to get there again. And you know, that's one of my aims. Anyway, I digress. So you know, there's 3 kinds of freedom: location freedom, time freedom, and financial freedom. Now, location freedom is being able to work wherever you want to work. Time freedom is being able to work when you want to work. And financial freedom is, well, when you don't have to work for anyone else to earn your money. You don't have to worry about your job being your only source of income. And one of the best ways of doing this is to earn an income online. But we'll come back to that, as that's not the main point of this video. But first, take a look at this. So this is one of the beautiful beaches in Turkey, one of my favorite places to go. And yeah, I mean, I miss the place so much, and I'm looking forward to going back there very, very soon. Now, if you can guess which beach this is, comment below, and we're going to be looking at more beautiful scenery soon. So reason number 3, if you believe you can achieve. Most people have an issue with mindset. They don't believe they can achieve what they want to achieve. So let me give you an example.
5, 3, 2, 1, release, release, release.
Fire, fire.
To all you kids down there, I was once a child with a dream, looking up to the stars. Now I'm an adult in a spaceship with lots of other wonderful adults looking down to our beautiful, beautiful Earth. To the next generation of dreamers, if we can do this, just imagine what you can do.
And as he says on the video, just imagine what you can do. Now, if he can do it, what can you do? If you believe you can achieve, its mindset. And most people don't believe that it can be done. Now, counting down, reason number 2, the lack of execution. People study, analyze, I'll do it someday. Someday I'll decide to build my business online. Someday I'll do it. They never get round to doing it. Lack of execution could well be the number 1, but it's actually the number 2. So let's move on to number 1. But before that, let's take another quick look at this beautiful scenery. The number 1 reason entrepreneurs not succeeding is paralysis by analysis. Basically, we get into a loop analyzing, shall I do this? What about this? What about this? What about this? And never, always stuck in a loop of thinking you need to analyze more. And the number 1 reason that people don't succeed as an entrepreneur. So I promise you some solutions. Now, if you want to achieve and you don't believe, surround yourself with people who will help you to achieve. Surround yourself with positive people. Watch motivational videos daily and remind yourself of what you can do. There's motivational videos on the billionaire lifestyle on this channel. There's motivational videos on how to get things done and your own motivation mindset on this channel. I strongly urge you to watch them and watch them daily. And set smart goals for yourself. Setting smart goals, and again, there's another video on that, where you have specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and time-bound goals. Learn how to set goals and aim for them. Lack of execution. Well, you're the average of the 5 people around you. Improve that average by stepping up. So surround yourself with people who are ready to execute, who are achieving things or aspiring to achieve things. And you will get a different kind of thinking as opposed to people who sit there and just talk about things and never do things. And curing paralysis by analysis, you want to do these things. You can find yourself an accountability partner who will help you to push forward. You can, again, push yourself to execute. And if you can, find a coach. There's so many ways you can do that, to find a coach to push yourself forward. And that will help to reduce your paralysis by analysis. So what is the Zed problem? So let me give you an example. Let's say that you have a goal to set up an online business. Well, problem A would be you need to believe you can do it. That's mindset, and we've already spoken about this. Part B would be finding the right product to promote online, which you can do. Then next, you want to learn how to market that product online. D, you want to produce the online content that will help you to market that product online. So these are problems A, B, C, and D that you need to look at first. You want to set up an online business. But some people think, well, what if my camera doesn't have the perfect quality? What if the sound isn't actually superb quality? What if my clothes aren't looking absolutely perfect? Well, it's problem Z. You don't even need to think about it to begin with. And most people are thinking about things that they just don't need to think about to begin with. Right now, you need to be focusing on problem A, B, C, and D. And that's going to make the biggest difference. And that's what the Z problem is all about. Most people think about things that it's just not that time to think about that yet. I hope you enjoyed and benefited from the video. I urge you to take action. Knowledge without action stays as knowledge. Knowledge with action leads to massive, massive results. I'm going to leave you towards the end of the video with some more awesome footage from my favorite place, Turkey. And I look forward to speaking to you again really, really soon.